This home is proudly listed by Marshall A. Toney, Associate Broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. This beautiful end-unit townhouse is in the wonderful community of Riverwalk Townes. This impressive home has been well maintained and offers an open and spacious floor plan flowing with lots of natural lighting throughout. Upon entering, you are immediately impressed with the beautiful wood floors which run throughout the first level. The kitchen sparkles with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and a breakfast bar for meals on the go. The family room is nicely open and leads to a fenced-in rear yard with a patio for evening entertaining. You will enjoy being only 5 minutes to popular Yorktown Beach, where you can walk along the sand of Yorktown Beach, visit the American Revolution Museum, enjoy local restaurants and shops. The location also affords the convenience of being only minutes to military bases such as FT, Eustis, Yorktown Naval Weapons Station, and Langley. Call your agent now for an appointment before it's too late.